like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, I'm Deb, if you're new here. And for today, I have the Walmart Spring Beauty Box 2023. And it had plastic over it, but I did take the plastic off because I have a hard time sometimes getting it up. You open it up, and it looks like this. And they give you a card that says Spring Spotlight, and it shows you all the things you could have gotten. You won't get them all, but you will get some of them. So let's see what we got here. Okay. This is Nexus, and they gave you both the cream, or both the conditioner and the shampoo. And the full size is $15 each, and I can't read how many fluid ounces it is, but I'll do the math and put it on the screen here. Okay, and then we got Eau de Toilette, and that is the full size on this is 1.7 fluid ounces, and it's $14.98, and this is 1.2. So I may have misread that, but I'll put the info on here where I always do. Let's see if I can open it. I make these things sometimes so impossible. Yeah, this is definitely a sample size. So I must be misreading that. That's what the sample size looks like. Come on. You can do this. No, I don't smell much on that either. I don't smell much on that either. We'll stick it up, put it on this paper and see what happens. My smeller must be out because I don't smell it. Sorry, I don't smell anything on that, and I didn't smell anything on the glossy box when I just did. So maybe it's from when I had COVID and I don't smell it. But I haven't noticed it in anything else. Oh, I already did these two. Okay, the next thing I have is Repair Bond Leave-In Treatment. I might take that out of here. And this is Leave-In Treatment. It's from Marc Anthony. Oops. It has a nice smell to it. So it's not my smeller, because this conditioner smells good. Let's see what that says. Yeah, this is Repair Bond. Repairs and Protect Leave-In Treatment. The next thing I have is Neutrogena Hydro Boost with Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Cleansing Gel. And that's a cleanser. I'm still going to open it to see what it smells like. And it doesn't have a safety seal on it, so. And that's what it looks like. It's just a clear gel. And it's quite, you see it's quite runny, but it's a cleanser, so it's going to be. And it brings it to a lather. I didn't take off that swatch. But it does come to a lather, which some people that matters, some people it doesn't. And then we got, of course it's upside down, Curl Bounce. I don't know what this is, but I'm going to look at it. It's yellow on white. Again, why would you do that? That's just not really bright. And it's it's Maybelline Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara. And I'm not going to open it because I have several open right now. And that's a full size, and it's $7.98. And then we got these DermaE, and it's DermaE Vitamin C Moisture and Serum for face with hyaluronic acid. And of course, they're calling these full size. There's two, so it's supposed to be worth $21.56. I think I got that wrong. Yeah, these are I guess deluxe sample. Full size is 2.0 fluid ounces, and these are 0.5. So that's that. But I'll add it all up, put it here. But this is still one of my favorite boxes because every time and I don't know if I told you in the beginning, but this is a seasonal box, and every month or every season they charge you, I can't remember, it's $6.97 or $7.97, and I think it's $6.97, and you get it seasonally. But on this box too, a lot of times they have new upgrade boxes, and those are like $19.99, and if you're a member of this, you have the option, and they always ask you if you want them before they charge you. So it's always been a good deal. And wait a minute, I just about smelled a piece. It smells like candy. That's what it smells like, candy. I don't want to smell like something somebody wants to go eat. Something about that just seems so wrong. Reminds me of Dahmer. Anyway, I'll put all the prices here and the total value. Feel free to come on back. We'd enjoy having you. Bye.